rags to riches. I'm
Yeah?
actually just rags to rags. I'm rags to slightly better rags. Slightly
less
better
ragged.
rags.
Alright,
Yes, exactly.
do you guys have a favorite path to go?
Fucking, I hate Blizzard World.
I
They-
love
they-
Blizzard World.
I don't know what
Alright.
it is, but this team picked
Go bottom
Colosseum. Yeah.
Go bottom left. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we get the 2 doors. They can't spam through both.
These people fucking pick Colosseo. I hate that map, then they pick Blizzard World. I hate that map too.
I
don't
also
mind
hate
Blizzard
them
World.
because they fucking counterpick me every fucking 2
What
seconds.
map do you like?
King's Row.
Besides Inkzo, because that's everyone's favorite map.
My favorite map.
I'm a Rialto guy.
Guys,
I quite
I
like
met
Rialto.
someone. I met someone yesterday who hated King's Row just as much as I did.
Well,
What, at
Now,
what
I'm-
age were they dropped on the fucking head or what? Like what?
Yeah, just like
Why do you
And bro,
hate?
just because we both have autism doesn't mean anything.
hey, I'm autistic, but I like King's Row.
They
Tell
should
me
do like
why. If it's such a good map, why does everyone throw or leave on it?
That's just.
It's just a coincidence.
Checkmate, liberals.
they're on Diva Ash. I'm swapping. High pocket Genji.
we need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait for Dan to swap. Man, I feel like me and you should probably swap heroes.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll play it. This
Alright, I'm good to go.
I'm gonna soft dive. I'm gonna soft dive, okay?
Yeah, go for
Hey,
it.
slap the diva.
Oh, shit, never mind. Go in.
Diva anti.
We don't worry about that. We
Kill,
need to rotate
kill.
around. I'm gonna be going to get high ground.
Give me 3 seconds. Yeah, 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
I have been stuck by a cast magnate.
I can't see the
Oh, he's
Genji.
got the mercy pocket. I'm fucked. It's okay.
Hey, pocket me here. We can maybe kill the Diva. No, never mind.
Go mercy. Go mercy.
Last
if you
one.
can.
Can't
Oh,
see
no.
you.
On us down. On us down. On us down.
And bubbling.
Alright, what's next?
We are chilling.
Yeah, give me 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Up.
And Mercy one, Mercy.
One, mercy.
Mercy.
We got her.
Can
Going,
we right there,
going
please?
cast low, cast anti.
Ash dead.
got it?
Ash fucking dead.
Burn diva. Ooh.
Punching. Let's go.
And with the first ult of the game. Let's go.
Bro, I was
Wow,
so scared to like try and get the gun out to shoot the mercy. I just like punched.
I double blinked right at your position just to watch the mercy drop to the floor, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so proud
Alright,
of
I'm gonna play off Primal soon.
you. Yeah. I'm gonna go swap to soldier,
I
honestly.
wanted to unplug my mouse from the charger. but I haven't
Take high
charged
ground.
it all.
Alright, we leave one of there. We've all just got Val.
Oh, at the back there.
Yeah.
Cass, I know. Mercy's close though, right there.
I'm gonna dive on.
Oh, they went Queen. Careful, Queen again.
Oh, Cass
You are
is low.
in. You are in.
I've got
Yeah,
Primal.
he's got primal.
Okay.
I'm burning soldier. Soldier's low. Soldier's low.
Wait. Burn this guy.
Queen's
Burn
low.
the
Queen's low. Oh, they pop Valk. Okay, we need to.
Oh,
play
I'm on the
I
flank.
popped
Get
it
in.
as well.
Soldier
I'm
one.
burning-
Ah! Get in.
Got Queen low.
Cass behind us on high ground.
Okay, well, your soldier's about to fucking cry.
I got it.
Care this Queen. Running out of Mercy.
Fuck! Oh,
We need to care this Queen, guys.
Yeah,
Shit.
we do.
Okay.
We're back off.
I'd better be more careful.
Do you have nade? Big.
I needed her gone.
Can you jump
Okay.
soldier high ground? Soldier.
Someone peek back. Dan, you need to stay for mercy. Oh, I'll go
Yeah.
high ground. It doesn't matter. Soldier's one. Soldier's very fucking low. Force him down. Cast is low. Yeah, do that.
Really? Oh,
Wait. I'm gonna drag into high ground. I'm gonna drag the
go
back
for it.
stairs.
Yeah, go for it.
where's the cart?
I put a lot low. The next time you jump, I'm gonna visor.
I'm gonna dive this way.
Soldier's
They're going
high.
stairs. They're
Soldier's
going high ground.
high. I avoided it, I think.
Ana one.
And there's one.
Cast is low. Oh, he fucking rolls and just.
Oh, that's a no.
Both your
Cast
supports
is
are
low.
dead.
Cast is low. Yeah, just die. Oh, don't worry.
Pause.
If you can kill soldier and get out, that's big. If you can kill soldier and get out,
I don't think it matters. The spawns are too close.
what the fuck? I'm just trying to give.
Nah,
concentrating
flex
force.
on
No, I'm sorry.
Keeping the
Making
zero
Nancy
there.
over here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Your caster's been knifed. Now I'm not knifed anymore.
Nice to meet you.
I have no primal. I'm
True.
the
Pathing under's a lot better here, I think, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's true, but fuck it.
Quick, kill. Oh no, never mind.
Don't be focusing Queen here.
Yeah, we need to.
The high
not be
hit
me.
scan at the back. I'm ready to go on the hit scan at the
3,
back if
2,
you are.
1, go. Oh, I'm fucked. Got me.
I'm just gonna push.
That was the longest sleep I've ever heard.
Queen behind.
Queen's half?
Are you fucking serious?
Okay,
Yeah.
chill. We just play for Nanoblade or
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, this queen's annoying. It's...
path under here. I think we go hard right. Path
Yeah,
under.
listen to Dan. Listen to Dan.
Can't be going top left against the double hit scan. They're just playing skeet shooting.
Howdy.
I hear someone close.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
Queen high ground. Let's go this way.
Bringing her Mercy over here. Yeah.
We're gonna go under.
The only thing we really need to be worried about is if we Valk, we just need to watch out for Visor.
Oh, hide.
Yeah. Alright, you guys get ready to go jump.
I'm ready to go when you are.
Oh, it's
Your caster's
I'm gonna
nice.
cast. I'm gonna cast.
Cast is down. We need to keep Monkey up if we can.
Junker Queen on me. I'm
Yeah,
taking
help
her
Anna,
away.
help Anna.
No, let her
Soldier
take
slow, soldier slow. Oh, it was. Hide. Just
under
hide.
the
Mercy.
sign.
Oh,
Queen
okay.
is... Oh, I fucked up.
we
That
need,
queen
we
is
need to
so
build
low.
Nanoblade here. We need to build Nanoblade.
Yeah.
Wanna play slow hip then? Just get played.
Well, we have a minute. Just
I'm
hard pocket our monkey.
I'm
Try
trying to
get
get the fuck out of here.
Sorry, just take key damage between here so I can just get blade.
We're going.
Yep.
We're going
Just
top.
get poke.
Can't, you're at 94, you'll passively get blade by the time it's set up.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
But I don't have nano.
Alright, just remember we can't take the fight there, we still need to wrap around.
I have
that
nano.
side. Keep coming,
Okay.
keep coming. We need to keep wrapping, keep
Yeah.
wrapping, keep
They,
wrapping.
they used nade. Can I go now, please? Can you nano me now, please?
Go, go,
Nano me, nano me, nano me.
Go.
Oh, fuck, nano tree. Shit.
Rezzing.
We guys.
Mercy's solo healing.
Queen.
We won.
Soldier behind, soldier behind, soldier behind, soldier
Oh,
behind.
fuck.
Okay.
Dude,
I needed
I hate double hit scan on that point.
Yeah,
man. It
just
sucks.
Yeah.
I needed
Okay.
to swap off because the Junker Queen died me like 4 times.
To be fair, yeah, but also that's why we just need to remember, Dan, we need to do the kite and wrap around to the map first, so Queen can't just drop onto our honor.
Yes.
We had time.
Your honor deserved it. Don't worry.
It's okay. I do agree, but still, just trying to be nice.
It's gotta be a classic acorn maneuver with the self-deprecating. She's always like, I'm so bad.
That's a
No,
good
I'm
fucking
saying
question.
I've committed crimes.
Hey, how about a little bit of life weaver, maybe?
Oh my god,
Any
die.
life weavers? Any life
Just die.
Okay, now we play the Mercy with the Ash again.
We'll run horse then. Run horse.
Don't worry, I'll be ready.
Right,
No, Sigma. I think Sigma. Maybe.
Sigma is always poggers. Like, it's probably, I guess, the most...
Sigma's always a good default. It's always a good
Yeah, it's probably one of the harder ones for them to just directly counter.
Well,
Ah.
there's a reason my Sigma was the most meta tanked.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go follow the strategy of the goat trailblazer Muhaha. I'm gonna be in the back line. Good luck to the rest of you.
Oh god.
You know, that's my favorite Muhaha quote of all time. When I was like, he's like, Mu, I don't know how to play like you. He's like, yeah, you know, man, that's just like, you don't know what it means to be a trailblazer, you know? Like, I'm like,
To be fair, he's done his time. He knows the go.
Let's keep each other safe.
Where's the understudy?
coming unders here. Oh no, they're not coming main. Oh,
I'm pulling
where are
shield.
they?
I've set fire to some people. Alright, we need to get ready
Coming to
walk.
the left.
Yeah.
There's still a Mercy main there.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
Geeked. But we need to drop. We need you to run and drop when they run at us here.
Yeah, when they run it up.
I fell.
Not quite
I
yet,
fell.
though. Echo's hiding in the corner here. They're gonna try and jump up. Echo's already low. Got the shot.
Mercy. Oh, you're dead.
No,
Gary.
no, I've got fucking shit.
Oh, I got pulled. I'm fine. Oh, thank you.
Mercy's
Echo one. Oh, Elix of the
Mercy's
opposite
dead.
tree. Queen, 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 queen.
Queen's one.
I'm good.
Okay,
Dude,
it's
don't
fine,
waste
it's
res, don't waste
fine.
res. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, back to high ground, back to high ground, back to high ground.
A headshot soldier?
No.
Oh, he's so low. It's okay, we're fine.
I fat fingered that, sorry. Had to get
Fine.
rid of it.
They're going Genji?
Yeah, they swapped to Genji and Zen and Kiri?
Healing stream connected.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm not aware of that game.
Oh, it does come back down.
Right.
I'm pulling
There's
jump.
somebody just over in the corner there. So I'm just going.
I'm
So I'm just
backing
going
up,
high.
playing the same wide position here.
I'm fucking dropping.
Genji is low.
Got by Sigma.
Set Genji on fire. I'm gonna be dropping Bob in their backline shortly. At least that's what I would like to do. Going for it now.
Oh, I fed, sorry.
It's okay, Queen's feeding too. Alright, we walk up to their backline. I've set Zen on fire.
Queen in your backline, queen in your backline, queen in your backline, queen in your backline.
Queen was lowish.
That's my bad. I fed.
That's alright, yeah, it's okay.
Oh.
Now we get to sit at the back of the map.
Is it
and it's
charged
a-
enough?
a scan thing.
Oh my god, thank you.
Up I go. I've headshot their Genji already. I've set fire to most of their team. They have Suzu'd.
Do we want to take a close fight, maybe? Or we're just gonna give them the first corner? I think we have flux. We can probably
We
take
do
this
kind of
fight.
have the time.
Let's
we
take
do
let's
kinda
take first
have
corner.
time.
You can go. Genji dash, Genji dash, Genji dash.
Like,
I think we go here as soon as we get flux.
I've set a bunch of them on fire, but I'm probably in danger.
Queen half.
Alright, we just keep poking. I don't think we can engage on that. Maybe save Flux for Blade if they Kiri Blade.
Half.
Kiri is. Okay, your dash to die. Everyone else
What?
run.
My god.
If we can, we want to die toward point.
Yep.
Otherwise,
You
you two
just
pray.
didn't hit them.
It's okay, don't worry, don't. Just, you guys need to get out. Get ready to TP to Sig when he's somewhere safe.
someone said.
Boosting your damage. My ultimate is ready. Join me. Let the Kitsune guide you.
Soldiers one.
Where is he?
We take high here. I'm taking high.
Going to, we can... This is awkward. This is very awkward.
Soldier one.
He's
Kiri
dead.
one. Kiri one. No TP. Underneath. TP underneath.
Alright, big flux,
That's big. It's big.
big flux. Genji's low. Genji
Big,
dies.
big, big. Push this queen here in the room here. Queen, queen,
Yeah,
queen,
go
queen,
for
queen,
it.
queen, queen,
Go
queen,
for it,
queen, queen, queen,
Go
queen.
for it, go for it.
Shoot queen, shoot queen, shoot queen, shoot
Queen's
queen.
low. She's gonna die. She's gonna die.
Nice.
Oh
we
my
didn't
God.
get the Zen. He went in there.
That's fine, it's
Oh,
fine,
he's
it's fine,
over
it's
there.
fine, it's fine. We just don't have too much blade. I might save Bob just as like a point contest.
I like it if you chuck Suzu in
He's
the
gonna
air.
dash on me. He's
Yeah.
gonna dash
You're
on
like-
me when he
you
blades.
can
So I'm
bait
gonna
them into
stay a little
thinking-
bit forward.
You can fake them into thinking you've
They're on
used
Diva
Suzu.
now.
When it just like, it's actually still only like comes back in like 6 seconds.
Where are they?
Probably kiting down low.
There.
Alright, just keep poking. Just keep poking. And if Genji goes on you, try to rocket jump away.
Yep.
Genji's down toward payload. I've got him. We need to hide.
I'm out of elbow. Keep poking me here. He's on me.
Genji's low.
Half. Genji half.
I've bobbed their backline. I've
Kara
got two.
Mercy. Kara Mercy. Okay, you're
It's
fine.
okay.
You guys live in the back like that. That's fine.
I got the Kiri. We're okay. Good.
I don't think they have enough
Don't
time.
don't die. There's only 2 of them, but we just need to not die. Got Zen low.
Oh, nice! Nice, acorn. Holy.
Nice, I missed 21 shots on him.
No, I couldn't shoot him at Sig range, bro.
Okay, hide. I just wanted extra fucking ult charge.
No, my rock was not in there.
I set Genji on fire. He's low. They forced Suzu already.
Watching Diva drop. Yeah.
We've got Flux when we need.
Got Valk.
Yeah, that's good. They've already used Kiri and Visor, so they
No
shouldn't
more.
be
No
able
more
to...
DM. No more DM.
Yep. D.Va's being poked a bit.
I hear it. Zenflake's behind
Oh,
us.
fuck. Res straight away.
Res,
Be careful, be careful. D.Va's gonna come up. Can we flush
D.Va
into
can
our backline? Oh no, it's okay. That's good, that's good, that's good.
Genji D.Va on you, back in the back.
One. Genji's low. Genji's one. Genji's dead.
Pocket Ash, we have Bob soon, Pocket Ash, Pocket Ash.
It's okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. I've got the D-Mac on the D-Mac.
We need tank alive blue for that.
We just keep our tank alive, it's fine.
Baby D.Va's behind.
D.Va's one, Baby's D.Va one. Got her? Nice. Bob's in a bad place, but fuck it. We kill Lucio straight away. We'll kill Lucio. Bob's gonna be shooting anyone who goes height.
I got one.
I'm just so fucking good.
Oh, get over yourself. You're an Ash with a Mercy Pocket.
Literally back of the map, Ash Mercy Pocket. Yeah, I'm just so fucking good.
I'm the
guys.
GOAT. I'm the
I'm
GOAT.
just so fucking good.
Hovak's character.
3 fucking deaths. Fuck this tank, yo.
Yeah, no, fuck them.
Yo.
I did feel fun. Yeah, I was at that point in time with the damage boost of the dynamite. I'm just like, oh, we win this game, guys. There's just no way.
Bro, what is that Kiri doing?
Trying to avoid being
Holy
shot because
What is this doing?
she went in with a T